Hey everybody, Shami here, AccessibleNeats. So today I will show you a simple but very beautiful and neat method of joining two granny squares together. At the beginning of the video, I showed you what you need to, for this video. So let's jump right into it. All right. You see right there, this is not the detailed video of this is just pretty much a simple video of how you can do the invisible join, which is also known as the ladder stitch. All right, so you go to the corner of your square where there are the two chains there, and you work on the back loop. All right, so I will insert my yarn and bring it up on the next stitch. Okay, and just like that I will move on to the next piece where there is the yarn from the previous square. That's where I will insert my needle and come up on the next stitch. So this is how you alternate. All right, you insert your needle where there is yarn from the previous, see, like right there. Yeah, insert your needle right there and come up on the next stitch. So this is how you alternate, like left, right. You go from up and you come up to the top, and then you jump over to the next stitch. If you do not understand what I'm saying, then you might as well just look at the video, watch the video. It will best show you what exactly you need to do. This is a very easy method, and it's very, very, very beautiful. Once you're done, it has a really beautiful outcome. And so what I do when I'm joining my squares, I do not work my stitches all the way up to the end before I pull. I like to work in pieces. You see, like right there, I worked about 3 to 4 stitches, and especially at the beginning, and then I pulled up my yarn just to see if everything is coming up good, because I hate it when I get to the end and you have to do a single pull. I feel like it really like gives your work like this not so beautiful, like too much pulling, but if you work in pieces and categories, then you can pull it just the right amount, not too much, not too little. As you work, then you can check if you stretch your work, if the yarn is showing. If the yarn is showing, then that means you need to do a little bit more pulling. And just like you see it right there, let me zoom in so you can see. You see I stretch my work, you can barely see the yarn. And for this work, you can literally use any color yarn. You can use purple, you can use green, because trust me, after you're done, the result, you can't even tell what color yarn you used. And so that's me right there working all the way up to the top. If you want another video of how to join 4 squares and how to secure your ends, you can go ahead and watch. I have a video, a pretty much more detailed video of how to join the squares and work your work up to the end. So this is it. I use this method to join my granny squares, and I was working on a cut here, and this is how it looks. Beautiful. This is how it looks when I've joined my square. Please like, share, and my account, and also I'd appreciate if you follow my Instagram. And this is my work, the bags, crochet and beaded bags that I sell. I do worldwide shipping. If you'd like to purchase, you can DM me on Instagram. And yeah, I would appreciate love your support. If you haven't subscribed on YouTube, please do so. And this is Shami from AccessibleNeats. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this tutorial. Let me know how it was watching this video. Have a good one.